In this video, I'll show you how to connect a custom domain to your Gumroad store. This is a great way to make your storefront look more professional and strengthen your brand identity. Start by opening your browser and going to gumroad.com. Click Login at the top right corner of the homepage. For convenience, you can use the Google login option and select the account linked to your Gumroad profile. Once logged in, you'll arrive at your dashboard. Next, navigate to Settings. Depending on your layout, this might be in a sidebar or top menu. In Settings, look for the Advanced section. This is where you can access backend options for your store. Within Advanced, locate the Custom Domain option. Have your domain ready, then enter it in the provided field. You may need to update your DNS settings through your domain provider to point it to Gumroad's servers. Most providers have step-by-step instructions to guide you through this. After saving your changes, test your domain by entering it in your browser. If everything is set up correctly, it should take you directly to your Gumroad store. And that's it. Your store now has a personalized domain, making your Gumroad presence more professional and memorable.